Hello, good afternoon. Happy Friday. It is raining in New Jersey. Tell me where you're joining me from, and welcome to our Friday Wellness. I'm a little behind because I had some work to do before the rain, and I surely did that. So welcome your friends and share this video as you come in. I'm going to go ahead and do the same. And let me see. And as we all know, it's May, which is our mental awareness month. Let me see. I'm trying to see where I'm streaming. Yes. I'm trying to share. So if you come in, please share this video. Do me that favor. For some reason, I'm not seeing it. Let me see. Oh, it's right here. I'm on the wrong page. How come? Okay. Okay, that's what happened. So I'm on the wrong page. And so I'm on the wrong page. Let me see. Give me a minute. Okay. You know what? My goodness. Okay, that's what happens with social media. You thought you had it together, and then you don't have it together. So let's see. I'm trying. I'm in 3 spots. Okay, yeah. I'm just going to go ahead instead of wasting time. I'll figure that out later. But I wanted someone to help me share this video because I need to be able to pin this. Yeah, this is not right. So, yep. Okay, so I have to end this because this is not streaming in the right place. I must have put the wrong location.